It's that time again. We're here at Costco, my favorite place on earth, and today I'm sharing with you all of the April spring savings. There's some really good ones, and there's also some new products that you can pick up at Costco right now. These instant savings started on Wednesday, April 10th, and they go through May 5th, so you still have plenty of time to pick up these savings. So let's go inside, let's go shopping, and I'll show you what's new. The first thing I saw when I came into my store were these Green Works lawnmowers, blowers, and yard tools. These are all going to be on additional sales starting on April 10th. That means less noise, they're more efficient, and they have great warranties being from Costco. So if you're getting into some yard work, definitely pick these up at Costco. The next thing I highly recommend is this Woozu 5-speed fan. It's going to be $27.99 after $10 off. We have one of these and they're amazing. These actually go viral every year because they are so good. It's like this cool little sphere, but it's really good at circulating the air. It's extremely quiet. It's great for small rooms and it's really powerful. Costco is the very best place to pick up any potted plants, flowers. They're the best deal that I found in my area, and the flowers are absolutely huge and gorgeous. So if it's warm enough to plant them where you live, I definitely recommend picking them up at Costco. This is an amazing deal. These Diamond Clean Sonicare toothbrushes are going to be $179.99 after $120 off. These are the ones that we have, and they are amazing. They just charge right in this cup, so you don't have to put them in like a little dock. The cup is the dock, and then they come with little travel cases, which I really enjoy for all my travels. This is an amazing deal because usually they're $299.99, but these are the best toothbrushes I have ever used. This Kids Play Fort is something that is new at Costco. They have kind of different little pieces rather than the Sam's Club ones that we have, but these are so fun. Our kids absolutely love them. We got 2 of them because they can just make more things, but this one has little pieces that you can take out, and it also has kind of these rectangular pieces, so there's more ways that you can play with them, but my kids absolutely love these, and this is a great toy for little ones to keep their imaginations going. These are $149.99. This Origami Play Fort comes with all these different pieces, and I know you'll love it. It looks like it only comes in maybe the one color though. Oh, maybe blue and gray. It's been a while since they've had the Ninja Creamy in stock at Costco. This one is $179.99. It's the Creamy Deluxe one. They haven't had it, and there's a ton of these here at my Costco, but they probably will sell out of these because it's almost summertime and this is a fun summer appliance. I do not have this deluxe kind. It's definitely a good value because I got mine for about the same price, and it comes with extra pints. If you're in the market for a Vitamix, this is $80 off. Vitamix is an incredibly powerful blender and it can handle just about anything. This one is the Venturist Pro Costco exclusive, so it comes with some extra features and has a great warranty. Okay, I'm excited for this one. I have seen this online, but I have not seen it in club yet. This is the Chefman XL glass warming tray. So this is really wonderful if you host lots of things. This is just a warming tray to put your food on to keep it warm, like on the table. It's very slim. It's just about maybe less than 3 inches off of the table, and it has this little knob here. So I think that would be really great if you host a lot and you like to keep your food warm. I certainly do. So this is kind of a fun new product at Costco. This all-in-one pan is really similar to like the Always pan. I love a nice deep saute pan like this, and this one is a really good deal. It's $24.99, and it has gorgeous lid that is oven proof, and look, it's made without PFAS, lead, and cadmium, which is fantastic. That is a really good deal. And then the same brand has this 2-piece skillet set that's stainless steel, and it's only $29.99, but it has kind of like the same thing without the PFAS and the PTFEs. Remember in my Hex Cloud video, I talked about how I wanted to find some cookware that did not have those. So these are great options and a really affordable price point. These are new to Costco. These are so cute. They're a 4-pack of these cute 18-ounce tumblers with lids and straws. These are really similar to the ones that I bought on my Amazon haul, but they have the cute lids with them. So these are really great for summer drinks, and they're only $12.99, which is a really good deal. Super cute. I think I'm gonna get these for my nanny. These are super cute weatherproof little outdoor blankets. They come in all of these different designs. They're really cute. They are $14.99 after you take the $4 off. They have a little carrying handle, and so they're really nice for just being able to take to a little outdoor movie, a barbecue, to the park with your kids without having to hold a big, giant, bulky blanket. With spring and summer right around the corner, it's really a good time to stock up on some cleaning essentials for your car and all the outdoor things. So this is an ultimate car care detailing kit. It's $49.99. I don't see that it's going on sale anytime soon, but it has a lot of stuff from the chemical guys, which their stuff is really expensive. So this car cleaning kit is actually a really good value, and it's a really good time to stock up on things like chemicals, brushes, fluids, things like that for your car. I'd also say Costco is the best place to pick up any outdoor recreational items. They're the best price, best quality, and I myself have picked up a couple things this year. We got some chairs for soccer games, but they've got tents, which we actually need to pick up a new tent because ours broke. Mosquito lamps, just everything to get ready for summer. Costco is the absolute best place to go and the best value. So here we're just walking down and seeing all of the good summer things. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so this is a little rinse kit. I've never seen this before. It's a battery pressured little shower thing. So you can take that on the go with you for your little adventures. You can add cold or hot water. These Craftsman style outdoor lanterns are a great way to upgrade the exterior of your home. They're $10 off, making them only $30 each, which is a really good deal when you look at wall lanterns at Home Depot. Costco has fantastic patio sets that are super, super nice. This umbrella is $499.99. It's $100 off. It's solar powered and it has these beautiful, gorgeous lights, and it's massive. And this is a new pergola that they have at Costco this year. It's $199.99, $1999.99, and it is a very modern looking. See, we've got like slats on the top. This is much less, or this is much more modern than their kind of wooden one that they have, and it has lights. This is something that's brand new at my Costco. It is refrigerated fresh dog food. So there's a chicken recipe with spinach and potato, and then there's another one that is a chicken recipe with cranberries and spinach. So as you can see, it looks like little kind of nuggets of food. We've never had this one before at our Costco before, but it's $25.69 for that bag and $23.59 for the boxes. There's 6 1.5-pound rolls inside that box. Something that's also great that's on sale are laundry detergents in all sorts of varieties. They've got the little pods, you've got powder, the scent beads, and liquid laundry detergent, as well as dryer sheets. So that is a good time to stock up on all of these cleaning products at a good price. Kerrygold butter, which is some of my favorite, is on sale for $3.60 off. They have the salted and unsalted kind, limit 5 each. These are so good and they rarely go on sale. I don't know if you've seen these Costco croissant breakfast sandwiches yet. They've been kind of going crazy online. They have a butter croissant, smoked bacon, egg and cheese, and I bought them. They're $15.99 for an 8-pack, so they're kind of expensive. They're about $2 each. But I didn't think that they're that amazing. They're not bad, but they're not my favorite. This is a new product I haven't seen before. These are the Lotte brand chocolate and almond dip vanilla ice cream butter cookie bar. Are you kidding? That sounds so good. I'm gonna get these. They're a product of Japan, so you know that the ice cream is so good. My Costco's in my area have not carried this for a second, but this looks like there's maybe a couple boxes left. These xiaolong baos, they're soup dumplings. They were really good. I like the Mila ones as well, but we tried these ones and they're just as good. If you see any at your Costco, definitely pick some up. These little mini wontons are also on sale. They're dumplings. They're not my absolute favorite, but for $7.50 they might just be the BB Go ones. I know a lot of people like to just make them into like a little soup or put them in their ramen. These are on sale as well. Also, I've got to say that Costco started carrying these Ajinomoto Japanese gyozas, and they're actually really, really good. They have chicken and pork in them, and the Ling Ling ones are only chicken, so we prefer these. If you love the Just Bare chicken nuggets, which are so good, but they're $17.99, so $4.49 a pound, you've got to try the Costco brand ones. They're $3.49 a pound, and they're just as good. We love them so much. And here's just a sampling of some of the outdoor yard type things that Costco carries in the spring. They always have the best deals and the best quality for all of your outdoor needs: pots, plants, shears, plants, flowers. So definitely pick them up at Costco. These are $4 off. These are actually really yummy. My kids asked me if I would get them next time they were on sale. The raspberry lemonade ones are really good. I haven't tried the other kind, but they are pure organic fruit. They taste like really good actually. Here are the nutrition facts and the ingredients so that you can see that they have really clean ingredients, and these are going to be about $10 per box for 28 of them. There's also a slew of multivitamins, supplements, and allergy medicine, which if you're anything like me, you definitely need in the springtime. So go and see what's on sale at your local Costco and stock up. I have been seeing ads for this Gillette Labs razor all over my Instagram for, I don't know, apparently it's a really, really good razor, so something to consider if you know what this is. This is $37.99 at my Costco, and it comes with, let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 razors. These are so darling. They're $19.99, little Bluey and Hello Kitty and Friends bath sets. This would be a cute little present for your favorite child in your life. It comes with bubble bath confetti, bubble bath, bath bombs, cute little headband. I think my daughter would love that. She absolutely loves Bluey as well, so either one of these I think she would love. These are really cute. You know I love my makeup erasers, and this is kind of a cute little gift. It comes with a bunch of different color makeup erasers in this little bouquet. So that's a kind of a cute gift. This is $19.99, and it comes with a bunch. Let's see how many. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little makeup wipes, and then this green one is a long one, I think. Oh, maybe it's a laundry bag. Very cute. This is one you'll have to get really quickly, the Cetaphil cleanser and the lotion and the hand cream are on sale, but only till the 14th. This new Shark Flex style appliance is something that people online have been really excited about. It is going for $239.99 after $60 off. So you can use it as a hair dryer, turn it into like a styler, and then there's like some attachments that make it into kind of like a diffuser, finishing tool. So that's kind of interesting. Well, those were some awesome deals. I definitely think you should go and get that Wuzu fan. We absolutely love ours, and it is a really, really good deal. At $10 off, it's less than $30. It's also a really good gift for someone who has everything, because it really honestly is awesome. I hope you enjoyed these April 2024 Costco new finds and deals. If you like this video, make sure you watch this one next, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.